Back from it.
There's a little bit. It's showing up clear. That's it, right?
In a sec, I'll take a picture from this.
Oh, okay. And then you get the.
Everybody wear black dress to one and I just have to. I have to get it. What you gonna wear? Yeah, he wore that today.
I seen him yesterday.
I said, what you gonna wear?
When we did the weigh-in, when we did the side yeah.
I saw they go to white light for his birthday. Some people do big dress and they want this cost. That's small.
Out there, that's not what
It's the CBS News. The CBS News. We got the CBS News. We got Bird. You just arrived, and we said, "Hey, how you doing?"
Where's the house? Okay, let me get you.
Get me what?
Okay.
Red dot.
Janelle.
What I'm just saying is, it's not that bad. I mean, you got the seat on right here, the paper right here.
Daddy, go up there and talk to him. You go up there and talk to him. Go up there.
Grandpa, did you want something? You want a large chili, Dad?
Large chili.
Okay, talk so I can hear you. Just like your little testimony.
I didn't know this.
Hello. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
This is our uncle.
Yeah, this is up behind.
This is Cal.
Your picture is hanging on my refrigerator.
He brought us down.
Okay, that's all right.
Columbus.
So you guys took the picture.
Carol.
Hi. You guys took the picture.
Hi. I didn't get a chance to hug you.
Okay. Whoa.
want to get a sandwich.
This is sure.
I don't know, Pat. You better take this. I think I'm shaking too much.
Make a difference. Come right on here. Man, the traffic be a little heavier too by getting off time. But how you resting? How you doing?
Down here. Yeah. We did have it was a little town.
Oh, you stay with me?
We went to North Town yesterday.
You have contact, you know. All right, let me go with my man.
327. 4-3. She okay? Come on. She's good. Oh, wow. Glad to see. Yeah, she fine. Come on. What you mean on here? Hey, you left your shades downstairs. Did I? You get it? Come on, sit down. Okay, yeah, we'll see some. Thank you. Oh, it's good to see you. Oh, I didn't hear what you said. You're looking good.
Yeah, I let you over here.
I didn't get my teeth out. My teeth grew on while I was sick and had my thing on. I went to get some, and as soon as I went there to get them, before I come down here, they both was moving. And I didn't get a chance to get them, so I'm struggling to. Where's Bobby?
Downstairs, she.
Oh, she's downstairs for the restaurant.
I thought she went her way out.
I'm gonna be married in 2 weeks.
Oh, you are? Oh, congratulations.
I know. I wish he was
I wish
now.
I was able to come. I mean, I was sick. I was still not ready to school. I had surgery on this side, surgery on that side. And I can't work real.
Richard, this was my very first girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sweet, Carol.
Came a real long way.
That's sweet.
The Lord just found me.
I'm glad you're on the right
Really like. And so when she got up here, so me and I must have fussed with her. I remember.
Anyone else know about this?
Well, you could.
Down to the house.
This company can afford it. Not bad publicity. Now, before we do anything else, let's take care of the child.
She called me.
Thanks to Sunsilk Anti-Flag, your share has towards the podium. But,
And the next thing,
let's talk about what just happened.
so he's broke off.
Did you want to get him?
Pat.
Just full hair.
How you doing? Don't fall.
No, I never haven't missed.
How you feel? All right. And the boy look good.
Yeah.
Y'all come on, sit down. We're fine.
You try to help folks out when they talk about it.
We got up this morning and told the people no coming in. We
Y'all
didn't let them
excited.
in. We just left the house in the conversation. So I got to get this stuff together because we leaving tomorrow.
Where
Got
was
to
doing
put it up. What time y'all
Bird. What's up? What's up?
Huh?
What's up? I haven't seen you in a long time.
Oh, I'll be okay.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
I hadn't never met your husband but once.
Once at
One time I had met him
down
for a
this.
short while. I was hoping I was gonna get rich one of these days soon.
Before you left, I would get me a vet.
I still get you one.
Oh,
They still give me
You still
got to get rich first.
you still get
I still get the discount.
You still get the discount? Boy, I'm telling you, I used to dream about that vet. I said, my cousin would it make? I said, she got some pool.
Yeah, I'm tired, but yeah, it would have been better if I was still working, but no,
I said, she got some pool. I said, I need to get that vet. I want to be a yellow vet.
yeah.
Lord, that yellow bit. No matter, get, call Eddie and see if he on. Cause Eddie say he.
Oh, you had to dial one before. Okay, give it here.
He won't come down.
We're going to go ahead and Tennyson is going to say the blessing and we're going to have